Hey everyone, welcome to the fifth video of this playlist in which I will show you 30 CSS properties in 30 days. And in this day or in this video I will show you how to apply a custom font in your website. Okay, before starting this video, hit the like button, and if you are new, subscribe to Techie Web Dev and press all notifications so you will never miss any future videos. Now let's continue with our topic. So we will do this with the help of Google Fonts. Alright, so if you will take a look here, we just have a simple p tag and nothing else. Alright, so first of all, to get the Google font like Google font style, you have to come to a new tab and search Google Fonts. Okay, then click on the first link, and then you can see various different types of fonts over here. Okay, you can scroll down there and you can see like there are many different types of fonts, and you can even search fonts here. Okay, alright, so we will take this font. It is looking good. You have to click on that font and then come down here, alright, and click on this plus sign. Okay, click on this plus sign and you can see this pop up, and as you can see here we have a font name called Sacramento, which I have selected just now, and down here you can see three links over here. Okay, so this is the first one, the second one, and the third one, but you only have to focus on this last link. So copy this last link over here. Okay, make sure to copy this only last one, then come back to your website HTML file and paste that inside the header file. Okay, so I will just paste it over here. Okay, that's it. And now again come back to that, and now you have to copy this font family. Okay, so I will just copy that font family, and now I have to just paste that in the p tag. So let's make a p tag, and first of all, before pasting the font family, I will just like to increase the size. Okay, so let's see our website. So as you can see here, the font has not been applied, but the size is now bigger. Okay, so let's paste it. Okay, so as you can see here it is our font family, and now let's save it, and now let's take a look. So as you can see here, there is our custom font. Okay, so this is how you can set a custom font for any element in your website. Okay, so I hope you like this video and you get the point how to apply a custom font in your website. So that's it for this video, guys. I will see you in the next one.